The relentless hum of the espresso machine was Elias's constant companion, a soundtrack to his unyielding hustle. For years, he'd chased the dragon of more clients, more projects, more revenue. His quarterly sales figures were impressive, a testament to his grind. He'd frame each new record on his office wall, mistaking a higher number for a deeper success. He called it progress, but progress felt exhausting. The celebratory champagne tasted flat. He was pouring every ounce of himself into growing his company, only to find his cash flow felt tighter than ever. His team was overworked, his evenings were non-existent, and the truth was, despite all the fanfare of soaring sales, he was barely treading water. Elias was stuck in the myth, the belief that the only path to prosperity was simply selling more, faster, and harder. It was a beautiful, seductive lie, and it had him trapped. He was running on a treadmill, celebrating how many miles he'd clocked, never noticing the view wasn't changing. The real reason so many entrepreneurs like Elias get stuck isn't a lack of effort or even a shortage of customers. It's a fundamental misunderstanding of what profit truly is. We're conditioned to obsess over the top line, the gross revenue, as the ultimate metric of success. We chase sales as if they are profit, confusing the symptom of activity with the root cause of financial stress. The actual failure isn't in generating revenue, it's in failing to engineer profitability into the very fabric of the business. As the legendary management consultant Peter Drucker often implied, efficiency isn't just about doing things right, it's about doing the right things. Profit isn't what's left over by accident. It's a deliberate outcome, a strategic choice, not a happy chance. Smart businesses understand this distinction. Warren Buffett famously said, "Price is what you pay, value is what you get." This isn't just about making a sale, it's about ensuring every transaction adds true, sustainable value back to your business. The principle extends beyond pricing. Consider the Pareto principle, the 80-20 rule, often showing that 80% of your profit comes from just 20% of your products, services, or even customers. Financial acumen, not just salesmanship, creates lasting wealth. It's recognizing that even small percentage shifts in your operating costs or pricing structure can lead to monumental gains on your bottom line, far more reliably than simply adding another sale. So, how do you escape the sales treadmill and forge a path to genuine profitability without adding a single new customer? It begins with a deep, strategic dive into 5 critical pillars. This is your blueprint. First, master strategic pricing. Most businesses operate on a cost-plus model or worse, price-matching competitors. Break free. Your price isn't just a number, it's a direct reflection of your perceived value. Understand your unique selling proposition, the problem you solve, and what that solution is truly worth to your ideal client. Could you introduce tiered service levels, a premium package for a more discerning customer? Evaluate whether you're underselling your expertise simply to close a deal. For example, a web designer might offer a basic site for a low fee, but could introduce a premium package that includes ongoing SEO, maintenance, and strategic consulting at a significantly higher price, appealing to clients who value time and sustained growth more than an initial low cost. Adjusting prices by even a small percentage on your most popular offerings can dramatically impact profit without altering sales volume. Second, optimize your costs. This isn't about cheapness, it's about smart spending. Perform a ruthless audit of every recurring expense. Those software subscriptions you rarely use, the services that have become redundant. Negotiate with your suppliers. Could you bundle services with a single vendor for a discount? Automate any task that doesn't require human creativity or complex judgment. Perhaps your customer support process can be partially automated with a chatbot, freeing up team members for higher value interactions. Scrutinize your operational budget line by line, distinguishing between essential investments and unnecessary drains. Are you paying for legacy systems that are no longer efficient? Could you transition to cloud-based solutions to reduce overhead? Even small, consistent reductions across various categories compound quickly. Third, amplify customer lifetime value. It's far more cost-effective to retain an existing customer and encourage them to spend more than to acquire a new one. Focus on exceptional service, proactive communication, and identifying opportunities to cross-sell or upsell complementary products or services to your current client base. A marketing agency, for instance, might initially offer social media management. Once that client sees results, the agency can introduce email marketing campaigns or website optimization as natural extensions of their service, building a deeper, more profitable relationship. Create loyalty programs or exclusive offers that reward continued business. By cultivating deeper relationships, you're not just making more sales, you're capturing a larger share of your existing customers' wallets, organically boosting your revenue per client. Fourth, rationalize your product and service portfolio. Not all revenue is created equal. Some products or services are profit anchors, consuming disproportionate resources for minimal return. Conduct a profitability analysis for each of your offerings. Which ones generate the highest margins? Which ones are resource-intensive but barely break even? The 80-20 rule is often at play here. Consider pruning underperforming services or raising their prices significantly to ensure they carry their weight. A restaurant might discover that while a certain dish is popular, its ingredient costs and preparation time make it barely profitable. By either adjusting its price, tweaking the recipe for efficiency, or replacing it with a more profitable alternative, they can boost overall margin without serving more customers. Focus your energy and resources on what truly drives your profit. Finally, streamline operational efficiency. Inefficient processes are hidden profit leaks. Map out your key workflows. Where are the bottlenecks? Are there redundant steps, unnecessary approvals, or manual handoffs that could be automated or eliminated? Empower your team with clear roles and the tools they need to perform effectively. Implementing a project management system can reduce wasted time and miscommunication, allowing your team to accomplish more with the same resources. A service business that improves its client onboarding process can significantly reduce the time spent on administrative tasks, freeing up valuable billable hours. Every improvement in efficiency translates directly into lower costs and higher margins, effectively increasing your profit without requiring additional sales. Elias applied these very principles. He stopped chasing every lead and started analyzing profitability per client, per project. He renegotiated supplier contracts and automated his invoicing. He didn't just serve his existing clients. He became a trusted partner, offering higher value solutions that deepened their relationship. The shift wasn't overnight, but it was profound. His sales figures didn't explode, yet his net profits soared. He found himself with more time, less stress, and a genuinely thriving business. The constant hum of the espresso machine still played, but now it was the soundtrack to a calm, focused, strategic mind, not an anxious, overworked one. The truth Elias discovered is this. True entrepreneurial freedom isn't found in the endless pursuit of more sales, but in the deliberate cultivation of profit. It's about building a business that is not just busy, but robust, not just active, but strategic. Profit isn't just a number, it's the lifeblood of sustainability, the fuel for innovation, and the ultimate key to freedom. The journey isn't about running faster, it's about building a better, more efficient vehicle that can take you exactly where you truly want to go.